Hi Pisces! So welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your July the 28th to July the 31st reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Now, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. So, kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel din po yan, Babaylan TV. Pero kung hindi niyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable po by yes or no. Na? So, Pisces, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So magsimula na tayo, no? So Pisces, ang nakikita ko dito, parang habang tumatagal, the more na you wanted to be in a connection, it's supposed to be that way, no? The more na habang tumatagal, parang redundant. The more na tumatagal itong relationship, dapat papunta kayo doon sa enthusiastic kayo. Pero bakit ganyan habang tumatagal, parang mas naguguluhan kayo. Mas parang hindi sa'yo klaro na this is the person that I want to spend the rest of my life with, no? This is not the person that I am not seeing, that I am going to see myself, no? Spending or getting old with the person, no? Parang, yes, ang dami na rin nangyari sa relationship. There are a lot of challenges that we surpasses, pero bakit nakukulangan ako? Bakit hindi ko ma-explain yung nararamdaman ko na parang ayoko na, or parang there's a push for me to either change course, no? Well, probably for a few numbers, or for a small percentage, baka meron na tayo ditong identity crisis, or baka nag-iiba yung sa ating sexual preference, no? There's no judgment naman. Pero parang sa'yo, um, may bago. Hindi ko pa siya pa-explain. Pero I feel like this is not for me. Even though, kahit sabihin natin, pagsamasamahin pa natin yung mga challenges na surpass namin, the memories, the time, no? It doesn't feel like, hindi sa nanghihinayang ako sa time na nawala, no? Wala naman yun. Kasi at one point in time, napasaya ako. So it's not actually a waste of time. But this is, I'm not seeing myself, I'm not seeing my future with the person. Ayan. With the Wheel of Fortune, the Ten of Cups, the Judgment. So for a few numbers of you, baka in the past, you probably thought or have decided, oh, this is the person for me, no? So parang meron talagang sudden change. Parang yung mundo dito talaga nagbago, no? Na iba, tumambling, awan kung ano ng degree ang nangyari. You were, you're, you just woke up one day, iba na, no? Hindi ito dahil sa topakin, no? Itong, or toyo and si Pisces. Iba talaga, iba talaga. Kung dati, medyo nandun siya sa dream state, no, na I think that this is the person for me, love na love ko to, ito na yata ang pakakasalan ko, ito na yata ang panghabang buhay ko, no? Something here flipped, the emotions flipped, the Tower and the Death card. So simula na nagkaroon kayo ng separation, the recent separation. So things changed. The recent separation felt like Pisces already felt that I think I am just watching an energy dies, no? In metaphor, no, parang pinapanood ko yung tao na nasa ER, no, hindi naman ako pwede pumasok. Pero ang indication ng ng life, no, is, I don't know what that kind, yung parang ganyan, yung ganito, yung sa heartbeat. Parang hindi ko siya maiwan pero I'm somehow parang settled, no, sa aking emotion and inaantay ko lang mag-flatline. So this is what I am seeing in the connection. Um, Ayoko siguro ding iwan itong relationship. Baka sabihin naman is ako itong, walang hiya at biglang nangiiwan. Pero I'm just waiting for this connection to reach its flat line. No? The Page of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. There's also a lot of things here that probably it's not selfish for wanting more. It's not selfish for you to expand your horizon and for expansion as well. I feel like you're seeing yourself somewhere else. You're seeing yourself probably alone. You're seeing yourself, this is not my priority. What I wanted here is probably a business, my own business, my own company, my own empire, what have you. But this is something that requires or involves rather money, abundance. So you felt like itong relationship na to, it's becoming a bit of a burden for me. So I don't think that kapag nandito ka sa relationship na to, I can't and I won't going to reach my goal. So I think it's much better. I think I'm better off alone, with the Four of Cups, the Eight of Cups, and the Hermit. So this is a different kind of Pisces. So probably we are already in this Lionsgate portal, no? Um, our emotional side were flipped kasi there is two Pisces. Yun nga kasi ang nakakabalo kay Pisces, no? And also kay Gemini. Sometimes you cannot figure out which side is dominant. Sometimes yung loving side, sometimes the evil side, no? But or the emotion and the rational side, no? So this time nag-flipped. So parang what happening in here? Well, the Lionsgate portal. We just entered, no, a few days ago. So it is dominated by Leo. So, parang yung emotion natin, parang nag-froze. So, nag-activate naman ngayon itong si rational thinking, no? Kasi there's just two sides of, Pisces. There's actually many sides, but what's dominant in here is the heart and the mind. So since nag-froze, kailangan meron isang mag-function and the rational thinking is the one who's dominant. And I feel like, don't get me wrong, I love the person. I love the relationship. I love being in the relationship, but it felt like for me this is not what my focus is right now. The Star, the King of Cups. It also makes me feel that there's something here that you probably promised yourself, since I cannot get this attention, or I cannot get this um, reward with the person. I'm going to create it my own. I'm going to create it myself. I'm going to pave the way for me to reach my abundance. And I believe that I am only going to reach it without the person, with the Justice and the Six of Cups. So I feel like, yes, you're gonna miss the person, but this is actually a hard situation. Also for Pisces, especially kapag bumalik na, no, itong planetary alignment sa normal pace niya. You're gonna miss the person. I cannot decide for you. Um, don't worry, my son is Pisces. So um, I can relate to this somehow. A part of this actually resonates with me, but I am choosing. Ay, magkikwento ba ako ng personal? No, wag na lang. Um, but I believe what I am. No, wag na lang talaga. Whatever it is that you're Kasi my 2 cents won't matter. It's your life anyway, Pisces, no? At the end of the day, it's your life. I just hope that whatever path you choose, whether your career or abundance or this romance, because you cannot have both at this current moment. I wish you the best and I am praying, no, for your success. And I believe the success is just there. No, so that's the hint. The success is there. The romance you can, achieve it, but I feel like it requires for you, to take action for you to achieve the dream, the aspirations, and your goal. I feel like there is a lot of things to offer. Your first card is the Wheel of Fortune, so might as well gather, collect the abundance. Mm. So, alam nyo na ang aking read between the lines. Ayan. So this is your emotion. It could be your emotion. It could be your person's emotion. Let's chat. Can you hear me whisper your name? And my love for you is stronger than ever. I feel like this is your person wanting to prove and trying to stop you from walking away or leaving. Um, I feel like there will be a lot of, longing. Kasi when Pisces actually sabihin nating nagmahal, you cannot you cannot forget Pisces, no? Dito mo masasabi na, kaya pala ang bagyo ipinapangalan sa tao. Kasi that, Pisces is like that, they can leave you devastated kapag nawala siya, no? Um, so that's it. So it kind of make me feel that your person's trying to stop you from leaving. I feel that the person is also feeling, the loss of enthusiasm, the loss of your excitement to the connection. So let's see here the zodiac sign of your person. These could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Baka kapwa Pisces ito, Aquarius, Scorpio, Libra, Virgo, Cancer. Scorpio is very dominant. Did I just say Taurus? Yes. Capricorn. Uh, yeah. So that's it. So Pisces, this is your reading. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Nagla-live din po tayo doon. So, kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And Pisces, kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, nandun po ang aking link. Click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Sa pinakababang baba po, nandun po yung question form, no? Nandun po yung pwede kayo magtanong, how much per question, the number, the QR code, the name, ayan, for your reference. Kasi may mga fake accounts po na kumakalat, lalo na kapag yung Babaylan TV mismo ang nag-message sa inyo, think about it, no? I doubt that I'm gonna do that. And if in case that there is, pwede nyo naman gawing reference itong nasa link, no? Kapag hindi yun nag-match, hindi po ako yun, itigil nyo na, huwag nyo nang i-entertain, no? So, I also created a 4 questions plus 1. So, you might want to take advantage of it. If you want to book a personal reading, a private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. Same link, no? Sa tuloy ang manhunt doon sa ating mga fake accounts na nagte-take advantage ng ating name, no? So, please report those fake accounts. Nasa description box din po yan. Screenshot and email it to the designated email. Ayan, for you to win a free reading. And when I say free, it's free of charge, no? So, this is your reading, Pisces. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.